Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you a tour of 23 LMR. Now this is a commercial building, it's 5 stories and it's located at 23 Lady Musgrave Road. So that's where they get the name 23 LMR. And it's a new trend that I notice it's going on now, where they name the roads after the address. So this is a commercial building. It's 5 stories. Now the rentable space is 15,000 square feet. And it has like office front or like a storefront on the ground floor. Very nice building. And straight ahead, that's the Ligonier area you're looking at. And this building has a lot of parking. It has surface parking that we're looking at there, and then it has a basement where you can park in. Now the lot size is 18,000 square feet or a third of an acre, and the total building is 16,000 square feet, of which 15,000 is rentable. And it was to finish the summer 2023, which is this year, but well, the building looks finished and they are in the process of setting up the stores. So that's where you see all these cars. It's getting the stores built out so that they can open. And when I say stores, I mean more like offices. Now this is one of many developments on Lady Musgrave Road. Just to the left of this building is, 45 HR, which is 45 Hope Road, which is a 10-floor building. And if you go further down Lady Musgrave Road, we have 4 major developments. You have 80 LMR, which is a commercial building. Cygnus Real Estate is going to be building something on Lady Musgrave Road. And at the intersection of Lady Musgrave Road and Trafalgar Road, you have another building going up. That one is also commercial. And further down Lady Musgrave Road, you have is it Proven? Building some apartments down there. The Bonnie Chance, not Proven, First Rock, building some residential units off Lady Musgrave Road. And then further down, almost close to the intersection of Lady Musgrave Road and Oxford Road, you have the Ascent, which is going to be 27 floors. So a lot of activity is going on in Jamaica, especially this area. So this is Lady Musgrave Road. Now we're going to give you a tour of the building from this side. And Lady Musgrave Road is going to be upgraded to 4 lanes. It's going to be like Barbican Road and Constant Spring Road, where it's 4 lanes with the Jersey barrier in the middle. And as you can see, there's a lot of space. If you look at where the light poles are, or even the fences, you'll realize that this road was originally built. The area was designed for it to be 4 lanes. So you shouldn't have a lot of, you don't have to take down a lot of structures to expand the road. So this is a very nice building. It has a modern design. And I'm sure with the road being expanded, and not just this road, East Kings House Road is going to be expanded to 4 lanes also. And then Lady Musgrave Road. It will definitely help with the flow of traffic in the city of Kingston. And quite a few roads are going to be upgraded. So I'm sure more developments will be going up in this area. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Enjoy the rest of the video and leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.